It's Patrick at Pals. Hey, let's take a step back in time. This is a carburetor on a 1948 Dodge. And all carburetors need a choke to get the car started. Jim, tell us what's different about this choke from what you'd find on a Holley carburetor today.
On Holley carburetors today, they use just a heated coil that once it gets heat, it gets an ignition signal, and after a while the ignition signal heats up a coil and it slowly moves the arm. In 1948, this didn't exist yet. So and Chrysler, being the renovators that they were in the day, had tried different things. On this Dodge, for instance, it's got a solenoid here that gets a signal from this wire that comes from the starter. So when the starter's cranking, it kicks this solenoid and closes the choke. As soon as you let off the starter, the choke opens back up.
So that'll start the car.
Yeah.
And if it's cold out, it'll keep that choke partially closed until the car completely warms up. And that's due to a solenoid instead of a spring. That's fantastic. If you have a carburetor on a 1948 Dodge, bring it to Pals. We can make it work like brand new. See you soon.